You know, this is why, and it's not just, see, this is why somebody who is educated is usually smarter than somebody who's not educated. Is because their IQ is higher? No. It might be, see? And is it because, well, they could get into this, into the higher education and the other guy couldn't because they're stupid? No. No. I mean, those all might be true, but that's not what I'm talking about. See, but when you have to address different forms of thinking in different fields, you get smarter. See? It trains you to be smarter. See, like when I was at the Unifucking-versity in Swansea, and I call it the Unifucking-versity because it's a university, Swansea University, right? And I would teach there, and they couldn't handle Wi-Fi. They couldn't handle Wi-Fi. They couldn't set up the goddamn Wi-Fi. And I said, "Are you kidding me? I mean, come on, some of your students must be able to set this up. Why can't, you're a Unifucking-versity. You can't set up Wi-Fi? I mean, seriously. You must have scientists here that can do that. You must have technicians here." No, we don't. Oh, wow. See, and then I found out that in the UK, and I think it's a big mistake, maybe all over Europe, I don't know, but in the UK, you only have to study what you want to study. And I said, holy cow. There goes, broad spectrum education. There goes even a liberal education. It's like, what? So I mean, yeah. Say, if you want to do music, all you have to do is music. That's all you study is music. So really what you're talking about is a trade school, not a university. Anyway, I disagree. As you might have gleaned from me saying I disagree. See, big mistake for humanity. Now look, hey, I don't have a problem. Somebody wants to learn music, great, go to a music fucking school. You want to learn how to do air conditioning? Go do air conditioning school. See? I don't know. If you just want to do philosophy, go to philosophy classes. Whatever. But if you're going to do university, to me, see, you learn more than what you want to learn. As a matter of fact, that was a requirement of my school. And Cheng Hsin. See? That's one of the reasons we created the degree system. You cannot specialize, because we have so many areas. Just instead of like body being, for example, or the Art of Effortless Power, or boxing, or consciousness work, you see, or mind, or, whatever. So you can't specialize in techniques, games. See, and people always want to specialize. Oh, I like this best. I'm not good at that. I don't like that. I say, I don't care. Do it all. So you're better at this. That's fine. Do that too. It broadens your horizons. You become more powerful. You become more intelligent. See? By doing more. By doing stuff you don't want to do, or you're not, inclined to do. See? So like, at Berkeley, you had to do it. Chemistry, physics, math of some kind, psychology, philosophy, language, English and foreign, you get to both, and something physical usually, etc. Geography. I took a cultural geography class. It was very interesting. The first half. The last half, not so much. But the first half. See? And I was just, it was a slot, something I had to do, I had never thought taking geography, anthropology, architecture, maybe, I loved making buildings. It was a pastime of mine. I'd stay up to 3 a.m. designing houses and rooms like that I intended to build. Makes it more fun that way. But by the time I was finished, they were way too expensive. Massive. Oh well. And then I designed another one. Work it down. So I don't know why. I found that very relaxing. It's not like rocket science. It's just architecture. You know what I'm saying? You just design stuff, make it, build and stuff like that. It's just fun. I did that kind of as a recreation. Anyway, yeah. So, in that vein, you see, I recommend. See, learn how to learn in different ways. Learn how to think in different ways. You can learn how to feel in different ways. See? And you become far more powerful, and people don't do that. You know, I only learn this way. Learn another way. You know, but I can. Yeah, you can. And when you learn to learn another way, you see, you become more powerful learner. Even if you suck at it, so you're still more powerful learner, and you might become good at it.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.